Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a beginner to intermediate tap combination to the song Sail by Awolnation. I picked this song because it has a really good beat to it and it's a fun song to practice triplets and tap with. Again, this combination is beginner to intermediate, so it's very easy. Let me show you the combination to begin with. Okay, so we're going to start on the left foot. So you're going to step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, lap, ball change. So again, we have step, shuffle on the right, step, shuffle left, step, shuffle, hop, ball lap, ball change. Then you're going to do the same thing over, but starting with your right leg. So step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, ball lap, ball change. So we have 1, 2. 1, 2. Then, starting with the right foot, we're going to do double paddles. So paddle, paddle, and then left foot, paddle, paddle. Now you're going to do a single. Paddle, step, heel. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So we've just done our paddles. 1, 2, 2 in, 1, 2, 2 in, 1, 2. You're going to step off on the left foot and drag your right foot in front of you. So we have 1, 2, 1. Then we're going to do forward, forward. And then we're going to do a cramp roll. So for those of you who don't know, a cramp roll is toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe, heel, heel. But it's a double cramp roll because the first toe that we do is going to be a flap. So in total you have lap, toe, heel, heel. And if you put it together with the other flaps, you have lap, lap, toe, heel, heel. So, so the next step is a riffle tip. So basically what you're doing is your right leg is going to dig, scuff, left heel, brush on your right, left heel, kick. But it's one fluid motion, so 1 and 2, and a 3. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. This next part you're going to do in a circle. So you're going to start with forward, 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 shuffle, hop. Forward, 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 shuffle, hop. Now at this point you should be halfway halfway in your turn, so you should be facing backwards. So now we're going to start with the right leg, and we're going to go forward, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop. And do it again. Forward, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop. So the whole sequence is this. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just ended here. You're going to do a lap, ball change. Now, at this point, you want to be flat, and you're going to bend your knees. The right leg is going to brush backwards. Hop, shuffle, step, ball lap, ball change. So, ball lap, ball change, brush, hop, shuffle, step, ball lap, ball change, brush, hop, shuffle, step, relax. It's a time step, so you're going to be doing this. Now, you're here. We're going to go forward, left, ball change, and you're crossing over your left. So, forward, left, ball change, and then we're going to cross over the right, forward, left, ball change, and then we do forward, left, forward roll, and then we do a toe stand, down. So let's go over the whole dance. We have 1, 2. 1, 2. Slide, go left, go left. Now let's try it with music. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post more on Instagram than I do on YouTube, so if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's @longxlivetap.